A few years back, when the idea of how to build an online community first surfaced, many in the online community business were skeptical at best. Some even scoffed at the very idea. However, times have changed and many online community owners have seen the light at the end of the tunnel. As the popularity of social media like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn continue to grow, many are finding that they can build an online community of their own. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to build an online community best practices. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. This is done by utilizing best practices in online community building. To help you on your journey of how to build an online community best practices, here are a few things to remember. Know your target audience. Whether you are building an online community for professionals, students, or anyone else, it is important that you clearly define your target audience before you even begin. You will also want to focus your efforts on online communities that are likely to attract your target audience. For instance, if you are looking to build an online community for high school seniors in your city, you would not send your invitations to this community via email. Instead, you would find other high school seniors in your city using Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect. Know your demographics. When building an online community, it is important that you reach out to the online demographic that you target. This will ensure that your online community is visited by the right people. For example, if you built an online community for college students in your city, you would probably want to reach out to the senior population and find out how they were using social media. How many people were joining their groups, and how many were joining the conversation. By knowing your target audience, you can design online media strategies that are most likely to reach your goals. Seek out help. Building online communities can be daunting. However, there are plenty of experts out there who have been through the process before you. Seek out these experts to get advice on online community building. They may be able to provide you with pointers on how to build an online community best practices, or they may be able to provide you with an expert's opinion on a particular topic. Build trust. Online communities can be difficult to manage. That's why it's a good idea to seek out help when you need it. If you feel as though you're losing control, seek out an expert for help. Communicate with these experts to learn the ins and outs of online communities, how to keep them updated, and how to keep them meaningful for everyone involved. Put quality content ahead of retweets. Social media is a great way to spread information about your online community, but it's also a great way for your followers to trash your blog post or tweet. To avoid this, make sure that your social media posts on your online community blog are crafted carefully. Quality content always wins over social media traffic. Make it easy for people to join. The first rule of how to build an online community best practices is that the more people that can join, the more likely your online community will thrive. Try and encourage as many people to try to join your online community as possible. This means being flexible regarding how many people are actually allowed to join. Building an online community can be tricky, but these tips will go a long way towards making it easier. Take the time to consider how to build an online community with best practices and you'll be able to grow an online community quickly and effectively. Your online community will have a stronger presence online, and you'll have plenty of friends and visitors. Thanks for watching my video about how to build an online community best practices. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.